Considering your circumstances, one of the options available to us is to place implants where the teeth are missing.
On these implants, we shall place artificial abutments, and above them there will be screwed crowns, which will restore both your aesthetic and masticatory functions. Therefore, here is the animation of the solution I am proposing to you. The treatment includes a screw-retained crown for the upper jaw and 2 screw-retained bridges, as well as a screw-retained crown for the lower jaw.
I genuinely want to thank you. No one else explained it this clearly, and now I finally understand my options and the best solution for me. When can we begin?
If you want to learn how to create stunning, interactive 3D customizations for your patients in just minutes, click the link below.